As you can see, the sun is beginning to come up, and as it does, I'll get the other cameras rolling, and we'll see you soon. All right, we got shrimp, worms, and corn and trout bait, because they just stocked this yesterday with trout, but I'm not really here for trout. I'm here for pretty much whatever. Someone left their thing. Not as many weeds. Oh, what? Yeah. All right. First fish. Let him go. Did we get him? Yeah, we got him. The tiniest catfish in the lake. No wonder. He managed to set the hook setter off. You know what's funny is Arizona Game and Fish, if you go on their website and you look up Dankworth Pond, it says there's no catfish in here. Looks like there's catfish in here. All right, these guys are known for spiking the hell out of me. Ah, see, got me. I can hate those little ones. I guess that's what I get for chucking them out there. See? They always get me. Those little guys always get me. Got him. Right at the bank. Nice little bluegill. Pretty decent one right there. I think I got it this time. Big bluegill stealing my shrimp. Now we're gonna move to some shade. Well, they got plenty of these in here. Holy cow. He swiped at it and it hooked him all weird. How he got hooked. As you can see, we are packed up and on the road. Wasn't that great of a day, but definitely worth checking out. They did just stock trout yesterday, so I'm kind of surprised I even caught that one, but better than being skunked. We'll see you on the next.